Welcome, everyone. Today we have a super special puzzle challenge with Mario and his amazing power-ups.
Look at all these Marios. We've got the classic, the fire form, the ice form, and even the elephant.
Oh no, Bowser is here. He's turned our colorful heroes into sad gray silhouettes. How spooky!
Quick! Let's get those colors back before he sees us. Think we can fix this?
Let's start with the fire flower. Can you find the red one? Tap the screen right now. Whoosh! Fire Mario is back in action. See how he glows with that bright red heat? Yay! Now for the ice flower. It's blue and chilly. Let's snap it into place. Click!
Brr! Ice Mario looks cool as a cucumber. You're doing a fantastic job solving these.
The elephant apple is the final piece. Give it a big tap to turn him into the mighty Elephant Mario. Boom! Fireworks everywhere. You saved the day, superstar. Thanks for playing. We'll see you next time. Whoa! Look who's here. It's Princess Peach, and she's brought some magical friends to the beach.
Wait, are those clones? Maybe she's getting ready for a fashion show, right?
That's right. It's time to style our favorite princess. Which outfit should we pick first?
I bet that blue dress is the fastest one. Let's click it. Click.
Actually, the sparkling royal gown looks much more elegant for a princess, don't you think? Amazing! Ooh, matching accessories! Can you spot the crown that matches the dress?
Good job!
Wow, now we're in the big city. Peach looks so stylish in her new outfit. Yes!
I'm going to pick the shiny shoes. Zoom fashion time.
Boom! Pop! Look at those fireworks. Fashion stars. Hey everyone! Welcome to the Super Shadow Match. Can you help our cute friends find their missing silhouettes? Let's go!
Whoa, look at those tricky pugs. 3, 2, 1, go!
Does our green creature fit there? Nope. Try again. Boing! You got it! That green friend found the perfect home.
Yay! Wait, don't put the blue one there. That's not a match. Beep bop wrong.
Perfect slide, little blue buddy. You're a matching master.
Yay!
Oopsie, the cyan creature is looking for a different spot. Keep searching. Click! Snap! That cyan friend fits like a glove. Look, it's the robot. You finished the whole board. Amazing work, Puzzle Pros. High five.
Yay!
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Get ready for a super fun matching challenge. Oh no, Cece and Cody lost their eyes. Let's help them find the right ones.
I think this square one fits perfectly. Wait, is that right?
Not quite, Cody. Let's try the round one instead. Click!
Nope.
Look at them dance on that watermelon. How silly!
There's a belly button on my belly, there's a belly button. Oh, I don't know how it got there, but I'm glad I got one. On my belly, there's a belly button.
Uh-oh, that's a big red X. Try a different shape quick.
No.
happy now.
A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place. A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. Oh my God!
Dancing at the beach with JJ and Nina? That looks like so much fun.
On my belly, there's a belly button. On my belly, there's a belly button. Oh, I don't know how it got there, but I'm glad I got one. On my belly, there's a belly button.
Boom! Final piece is in place. You are a puzzle master.
A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
Fantastic job today, superstars!
Have fun.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time! Hey everyone! Welcome to our Super Mario Shadow Match Challenge. Can you name all our friends?
Look at all those empty shadows. I bet I can fit a Goomba in there. Wait, that's not right, is it? Okay.
Nice try, but let's find our hero. Click on Mario to fill that silhouette. Boing! Perfect match. Luigi and Princess Peach are back in the game. Ting!
Toad and Yoshi are hopping in next. Can you point to where they belong?
Wario and Bowser Jr. are joining the party. Slide them right into their spots. Click! We did it! Everyone is back on the field. You guys are total puzzle pros. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. Hold on to your hats, everyone. Something magical is exploding onto the screen right now. Look, it's Mario. And he's brought some colorful pencil friends to help us draw some fun today.
I bet the green one is the fastest artist. Let's see if he can keep up with Mario's jumps. Yes!
Watch closely as the pencils add a splash of color. Which outfit do you think Mario should pick first?
Yes!
Spinning and changing. It's like a rainbow fashion show for our favorite hero.
He's locked in that classic red style. Or is it blue? Wait, no, he looks great in everything.
Yes, we nailed it! Pop goes the fireworks celebration time team! Now the real challenge begins. Can you spot the right match for these Mario variants?
Oops! That X means it's a mismatch. Don't worry. Keep your eyes peeled for the perfect piece.
Ready? Go!
Bingo! That hat fits perfectly. Click, snap, and it's locked in place. Look at all that confetti! We've successfully completed the whole set. You guys are absolute pros. watching today, Puzzle Masters. Don't forget to hit subscribe so we can play again soon. Welcome, Puzzle Pals. Today, a brave wooden hero is on a quest across the grassy plains.
Whoa, is that a giant salt shaker? I bet it's for seasoning his lunch.
Oh no, the salt shaker is fighting back. Stop, stop, stop! That's a salty surprise. Our wooden friend is back on his feet. He is one determined little explorer.
Watch out! A honey jar just kicked him. Boy, this field is getting wild.
Look! A ninja coffee cup saves the day with a swift move. You did amazing following this adventure. Puzzle Masters.
Go, go, go!
Thank you very much.
Welcome, everyone. Today we have a super chilly mystery block. What's hiding inside? Pop. It's Mario and his friends. Let's help them find their perfect silhouette spots.
I think Peach goes in the square box, right?
Not quite, silly. She needs the matching outline. Look closely at the shape.
Whoa, look at Mario go! He's running on the neon beats. Boing, boing, boing.
Jump to the rhythm. Keep your eyes on the platforms. Kids, can you count the jumps with me? Our score is climbing fast. Ding, ding, ding. Mario is unstoppable today. Uh-oh, that's a buzzer. Wrong spot. Let's slide that piece over to the correct shadow. Princess Peach is jumping so gracefully. She makes it look easy, doesn't she?
Toad is super bouncy. Boing, boing. He's the fastest little mushroom I've ever seen.
Vroom, vroom. Luigi is drifting in his cart. He's heading for the finish line. We did it! You guys are puzzle masters. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. Hey everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Mario and Luigi Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to play?
Whoa! Look at those sparkles! We got the first match right! Ding ding!
Mystery alert! What do you think is hiding inside those question blocks, team?
Quick, pick the right hat before the timer hits 0. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's Bowser! He's causing trouble in the movie, but we can stop him with our super matching skills. matching hat for him? Is it blue or yellow? You decide.
A mech is flying in. Watch out. We need to finish this puzzle sequence to save the day.
Welcome to the ultimate mystery puzzle party. Explorers! Are you ready to match some magic?
Whoa! Princess Peach is wearing a witch costume today. How spooky and cool is that? Uh-oh, a grumpy Goomba appeared. Boom!
Everything turned into shadows. Can you help us find the right pieces for our friends?
Ready? Go!
Let's go!
Look, Luigi is back. Click! Perfect match. Way to go.
Wait, does the Bowser shell go on the Goomba? No way, that's silly!
No, God! No, God, please!
What?
Everyone, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are puzzle masters. That was amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Pals. Check out this shark in fancy blue sneakers strutting down the beach.
Whoa, watch out! Is that a tiki man? He just went splat. Ouch!
Boing! Our shark friend just cleared that hurdle like a pro athlete. Oh, can you help them pull the rope? Give it a big tug, everyone.
Tiki man fell over again. The shark is giggling. He thinks it's hilarious.
Wait a second. Look at those muscles growing. That Tiki Man is turning into a total powerhouse.
Oh!
Zoom! The shark is running away fast. You guys did amazing today. Thanks for playing along. Welcome, Puzzle Pals.
Hello.
Today, we are bringing a whole cast of superstars back to life.
Whoa! Why are they all gray? Did they turn into stone, host A?
Don't worry, it's just a splash of color missing. Our friend Palette is here to save the day.
3, 2, 1, go!
Princess Peach is looking royal and radiant again. Great work, Palette.
Is that spooky dry Bowser? I think he needs a little green and bone white touch-up.
Look at Donkey Kong go! He's getting his classic flash. Toad is popping back to his colorful self. Look at that bright red mushroom.
It's a me, Mario. He's finally sporting those iconic red overalls again.
Oh my God!
And last but not least, Luigi is back in his signature green. What a masterpiece. Boom! Fireworks for everyone. You all did an amazing job helping us finish this puzzle. See you next time. Welcome, everyone. Toad, Luigi, and Bowser are here for a super puzzle challenge. Are you ready?
Wait, why is Mario here? And who mixed up all these heads and bodies? This is chaos!
Let's fix this mess. Can you help us find the right pieces? Try sliding this one. Oh, nope. That's not a match. Toad's head fits perfectly on his body. Pow-pow.
What the hell?
What's a piece goes here? Wait, is that Luigi's hat? Let's give it a try!
Nope.
Bowser needs his spiky shell body. Stay focused. You're doing great. Click! Mario is complete at last. You solved the whole puzzle. You absolute puzzle master. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, our wooden hero faces a giant tree monster in the deep woods.
Hey, is that tree laughing? I bet he thinks our friend is just a tiny toothpick. Ha!
The tension is rising. Can you spot the wooden club? It's the key to this challenge. Is swinging into action with super strength. Boom! Down goes the monster. You did it, team. Victory belongs to our wooden champion today.
That was legendary. You guys are total puzzle pros. See you in the next big adventure.
Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Get ready to match your favorite heroes in our Super Mario adventure!
Whoa! Are those shadows of Mario and his pals? I bet I could fit them all in a second!
3, 2, 1,
Not so fast!
go!
Look closely at the shapes! Toad's hat is round, so he needs a special spot! What?
No! God!
Boom! The beat is dropping. Can you tap along to the rhythm with Mario and Luigi?
Bowser Jr. fits perfectly into that silhouette. You are doing amazing, explorers.
It is a winter wonderland party. Let's dance and catch the rhythm as it slides across the screen.
For that tricky shadow. Does Mario belong there? Or is it Luigi hiding in the dark?
King, the music is picking up speed. Keep your eyes on the arrows, friends.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready to match, learn, and play with our favorite friends today.
Look, the Cocomelon family is here. Jackie is ready to rock out with his guitar. Strum, strum, strum.
Hello there.
Wait a minute. Who is hiding behind those mystery silhouettes? Is that a superhero?
Aha! I bet it's Batman. Let's see if we can snap his head right onto that puzzle piece. Click!
Great observation. Now, point your finger at the screen and help them put their shoes on. 1, 2, hop! You're doing amazing! Watch the cursor go. Tap that hammer and build something wonderful.
Ha! Look at all that confetti! We solved the puzzle perfectly, team!
that subscribe button so we can play again soon.
Oh my God!
Three, two, one, go!
The mystery continues. What emoji is hiding behind that question mark? Let's find out.
Nope.
We did it! Every piece is in its place and everyone is happy. You guys are puzzle masters. What a fantastic day! Thanks for playing Super Solvers. See you in the next big adventure.